Right, it's how to fold a t-shirt for travel. You want to pack it in a suitcase. First of all, you want to get a bit of a cuff on the bottom here, like so. Then fold in the sleeve on either side, like so. And take one side of the shirt, bring it over so that the far side of the collar, and get the other side, take it over to that side so it's lined up, nice and easy. Turn this t-shirt around from the top, roll it as tight as you can all the way down till you get right to the end. And when you come to that cuff there, pull the cuff over the t-shirt, and there's your t-shirt, nice and compact, ready for your suitcase.